What's up, y'all? It's your boy Black Hour, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Hour. Today we're going to make a bacon wrapped stuffed pork loin out on the grill. And you're going to be stuffed when we're done. But to get done, we got to get started. So let's go get started, baby. That's right, player. Stuffed bacon wrapped pork loin. Good stuff, baby. Extra stuff. I mean, this is really going all out. This is when you got some company over and you want to show them that you know what the hell you doing in the kitchen, boy. That you got that fire and desire like Rick James did. So, as you can see, I've already got this cut in half, and what that's going to do is that's going to allow us to handle our meat better. So. And it's going to make it taste better too. So, you hear that, ladies? The smaller the meat, the easier to handle, and the better the taste. You remember that? Write it down in your little black book. So, we've got this side down. I'll show you how to do this side here. Now, the first thing that you got to do is you got to get a knife, and you want a good sharp knife, because anytime that you're cutting raw meat, take it from me, old Black Hour, because you know, I was a butcher at one time or another, and I know a thing or two about working my meat. So, you take you a good sharp knife, you want to stick it in the side, don't stick it in the top. You want to put it in the side because it's going to give you more flatness. Let it lay down better, let it do what you need it to do. Take that knife, put it in the side, and you want to cut right down the side pretty good. Now, once you get it open, you're going to have to do what I call butterfly it, sir. And I'm not talking about building a cocoon sitting out in the backyard for the rest of the damn summer, you lazy ass. Get in there and get back to work, you old butterfly son bitch. You got to take this meat, you got to cut it, and when you're cutting it to butterfly, you want to take your knife, you're going to get it sideways, and you just want to make little tiny shallow cuts and kind of spread as you do that, sir. And just work with it, practice. It's kind of hard to fuck it up, so don't be scared, baby. Just get in there and do your thing. So once you have it butterflied, lay it to the side, and ready to go, first thing we'll do is take our cream cheese. Now, you could use shredded cheese, you could use, I guess, pretty much any kind of cheese that you wanted to. Me, I'm going for the cream of the crop to put on top. The good shit for you tonight. So we'll cut that open, and you know, some people may say, Black Hour, I may I may go light on the cheese, I may go sparingly, I may use only half of the brick. Well, that's you, that's not me. I'm gonna use the whole damn thing. Got 2 bricks of cream cheese today. I'm gonna use 1 per side because I wanted extra cheesy tonight. And you know, the cream cheese cooks good, baby. It's gonna spread, it's gonna make it rich, flavorful, scrumptious. So, get your knife, a butter knife, and just spread that old cream cheese like this. Yeah. You may have to work at it a while. It's got kind of a strange consistency when it's not melted. It's kind of hard to work, but just keep at it, and you know, it'll kind of warm up as you're working with it. Just make sure it's spread. You don't want any big lumps or humps in there. Just evenly spread. That looks good. A little more spread. There we go. Now, we will go ahead and take our vegetables. And today, the vegetables that we're going to use is a poblano pepper. I went with poblano because I didn't want it super spicy. I wanted it very nice. So, I took some, excuse me, gotta refuel. There you go. So, I got the poblano pepper, I got a little red pepper, and I have a little green onion, sir. Green onion is the shit for me. You want to take a big heaping helping of that. I've got this all chopped up very fine, and I went ahead and mixed it in this bowl. And after you do that, you don't really have to mix it in the bowl, it's just convenient. But we're going to put this shit right on top. And you can use as much or as little as you want. Me, I'm going to kind of load it up because there ain't no sense in stuffing the bitch if you ain't going to really stuff it. Now, like I say, you can go ahead and put just about any damn thing you want in this. You could cheese, different types of vegetables, maybe a different type of meat. Hell, you could even put more bacon on the inside. Maybe you could go bacon wild, but I'm not going to. So we get our bacon because we got ready to wrap, and let's go ahead and take this old loin here and fold it over. Don't worry about rolling it up. I know that some of other recipes you've seen, they roll the thing up like they rolling a big old, a cigar. And, you know, that's just not me. I'm going to do it this way. We'll see how it works. Then you get the bacon. cut that son of a bitch open and pull it out with your greasy fingers. If we can get it out, because I'm having trouble. There she goes. Now, once again, I said bacon wrapped, but not really going to be bacon wrapped, more bacon topped. Because these bacons are not long enough to wrap around the loin here. I found that out from experience. Now, when you're laying your bacon down, you want to make sure to overlap, baby, because you don't want a gap in there. You don't want one side with 4 or 5 pieces of bacon and one side with none. You want it all even Steven, playing nice together with the bacon. So, peel that bacon off there and just lay it on top. And I'll show you what you're going to do when you're done. Keep going, keep going, keep going till you got the whole son of a bitch covered in bacon. A big old bacon blanket, if you will. It's going to be warm and dusty once we get on the grill. And I'm kind of trying to haul ass and beat that rain. They said we got some rain coming in, so I need to hurry. So, once you've got your bacon on there, what I want you to do is kind of just go like this and tuck it in. Tuck it in and say, good night, sleep tight, you sweet little Loin. Yeah. I ain't reading you no story tonight. I guess you did it. But that looks damn good right there. So, what we're going to do, we're going to clean up our little mess that we got in here. We're going to wash our hands. We're going to grab another beer, grab the radio, and we're going to take our fat ass outside to the grill and fire these big bad boys up. What do you think? Well, I don't care what you think. That's what we're doing. So, get your ass in gear. Let's go. All right, baby. We got our coals hot and ready. And see what I did here. Come over here and take a look at this. I got coals on one side, but I left the other side open so that we can have some indirect heat when we're cooking, because we got a big old piece of meat today and we don't want anything to burn. We want to be able to have some room to play around. So first thing we got to do when we get out here is get our loin and we're going to throw it on the grill. So be very careful when you're doing this, because you got a big old hunk of meat here and you don't want to lose it. Place that directly over the coal. And here it sizzle, baby. That's beautiful. Beautiful. That's just what you want. Get our other side here, and we'll do the same thing. Now, once you got those on there, we're going to let these cook for a long time. I'd say probably about an hour before you want to open this lid. Maybe 45 minutes. But after that, everything's going to be good to go. And then we'll put some sauce on and see where we're at. So I'll get back with you then. Have a beer. Enjoy yourself. All right, baby. The meat is ready to go. So what we're going to do is put a little barbecue sauce on here. Now, all told, I've been out here maybe 3 hours. I think I flipped it once, moved it around, you know, indirect heat, direct heat, indirect heat, direct heat. Had to do a little dancing with it. But now that we've danced and we've done our beautiful thing, let's add some sauce, because you know what I say. Sauce is the boss. Let me have a little sauce for myself. Got our sweet baby rays here. And we're just going to apply just a little bit to the top, just to give it a little more texture, a little good flavor. Drip that shit on there. Oh yeah. Smells delicious. We'll let these go about another 15 minutes, and by the time we're done, we'll go inside, we'll get them cut, and I'll be ready to have the first bite of this big bad buffalo butt boy right here. So, I'll meet you in there. Don't forget your beer. Alright, baby, the time has come. The stuffed, bacon-wrapped pork loin is done, and I'm having the first bite. For me. Me at everything. I want a little bit of everything. Everything. That's delicious, baby. You got the creamy cheese, the peppers that taste fresh, and then you got the good crispy bacon and that barbecue sauce and the powerful pork, baby. It's everything that you need for a meal, and it's just beautiful. Just like me, and just like you. And I want to thank you for watching another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. And you can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Y'all have a good one. Enjoy that meal, baby. And I'll see you next time. Goodbye, baby. One. Get out of here. Scat.